guys, you're gonna have to flip your view to the side. I want to show you these chains that I got on Amazon. They are a pack of 4 different chain straps for your purses. So here's what's cool about it. If you want it short, like extra short, I'm gonna say this is like the super small. Here's one. This is the second one. I'm gonna try to grab them by size so you can see. The next one I have is a medium size. Look at these, are so cute. Let me see if I can zoom out so y'all can see really well what it looks like. Here we go. This is the medium size. I have the next one that comes after that one. I don't know how I created this knot here, but the next one that comes after that would be like a regular purse length. Okay. And then the final one is a super long one. This could be like a crossbody type of size. And it goes from 15.7 inches to 23.6 inches to the next one, 35.4 inches. And the longest one is 47.2 inches. So all these chains are different sizes, and I think they will be perfect to purchase them, so you can have them for whenever you feel like your purse. You can have them by the hand, on your shoulder, crossbody, or just a waist length. I think these are perfect. Now here's the other cool thing about it. When you look at these hooks right here, see how they open? I love it because you can always grab your D-ring that I've been sharing with you guys, my D-rings. Let me show you this one. Let me open one of these so you can see. What's cool about these is that these go in like this. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Whether you use this one or the other D-ring that I showed you before. Let me see if I have them right here. Oh, okay, these are a different one, but I'm going to show you these because these are super cute as well. Whether you use these or any other sizes, these are super big. These are meant for a different purse that I have, but even if you can't put them through here, this has also an opening, which is pretty cool. This opening here is pretty big, so you can always put them in there. These are great for your purse. I love these. I love putting these also after you put this on your purse right here. I love putting these there because these could be, let's say I have, this is going to be my, this is my purse. This is where my strap is going to be holding, and this could be my keys right here. So isn't this pretty cool? Like, this will fit everywhere. You've seen my little D-rings that I have been showing you throughout my videos, and you saw the little horseshoe D-ring that I found as well on Amazon. I've been trying to do like a little wish list on Amazon, or you know, my jewelry list on Amazon, but I'm just linking everything as I find it for you guys on the comment section. I think it would be easier that way. But these straps are phenomenal. These are the ones that I will be using for the little beaded purses that you have been checking out on my page, you guys. Anyway, I just wanted to show you these. These are great for a gift. They're only $9.99 on Amazon. You can't miss them. They have them in silver, they have them in gold, and the gold that they have is either like, it looks like a rose gold, and the other one is like a yellow gold, which is the one that I have. So you guys, take advantage of how inexpensive these are and how you can use them and style them with your different purses. I hope you like these videos, and until next time, remember to like and follow for more.